Lift your car up. Use 17-inch socket to remove wheel lock bolts. Use flat screwdriver to remove retaining spring. Use flat screwdriver to depress brake piston. Remove dust cover. I remove a brake sensor. I cut it off and connect it together because I still have half-life brake pads left, but sensor was worn out already. So you're gonna need to remove a brake pad sensor if you have it. Use 7mm Allen hex bit socket to remove two pins out. Clean contact surface with brake cleaner. Press in, brake caliper piston in. Remove brake pad. Remove brake caliper pins out and make sure they're clean. If they're not clean, you need to clean them in. Remove old wear sensor. Press and pull. Install new sensor. Make sure your rotor has at least 18.4 millimeters of thickness. Apply some thin layer of brake lubricant on a contact surface. Install brake pad. Put in brake caliper and tie it in. Work it to 30 Newton meters. Install sensor back in place. Install retaining spring back. Put back wheel. Torque wheels to 120 Newton meters. Press in brake pedal until it's hard. Turn on ignition, but don't start the engine. Push the check button to make sure you have a date on. Push and hold this left push button. until it show up like this. Now select wherever you need to reset and push and hold it again. When it asks for reset, depress it and press it again. That's it.